Hey there! Ready to level up your English in just 5 minutes? No matter where you are or what time it is, take a deep breath and let's fill this moment with 10 powerful words that will boost your confidence and brighten your day. Let's jump right in. 1. Win, meaning to succeed, to achieve what you want after trying hard. Explanation. We don't just win in games. You can win in life, in learning, or even in small moments, like waking up early or finishing your morning workout. Every little success is a win. Example, today I will win at everything I do, big or small. 2. Strong, meaning having physical power or emotional courage. Explanation. Being strong doesn't only mean lifting heavy things. It also means staying calm when life feels hard and not giving up when things don't go your way. Mental strength is just as important as physical strength. Example, you are strong enough to face every challenge today. 3. Love, meaning a deep, warm feeling of care and happiness towards someone or something. Explanation. Love is not only for people. You can love your work, your hobbies, and even a peaceful morning walk. When you do things with love, life feels easier and more beautiful. Example, I love learning new things every day. It makes me feel alive. 4. Kind, meaning being gentle, helpful, and caring toward others. Explanation. Kindness is a simple but powerful way to make the world better. A kind word or a small good action, like holding the door or helping a friend, can make someone's entire day brighter. Example, be kind and kindness will always find its way back to you. 5. Help, meaning to give support or make things easier for someone else. Explanation. Helping doesn't always mean doing big things. Sometimes just listening to someone or offering a small piece of advice is a huge help. When you help others, you also feel good inside. Example, I will help my friends when they need me because we're stronger together. 6. Morning, meaning the early part of the day, usually the time before noon. Explanation. Mornings are a fresh start. What you do in the morning often decides how your whole day will feel. If you begin with positive thoughts and healthy habits, the rest of the day becomes easier and happier. Example, a peaceful morning creates a powerful day. 7. Start, meaning to begin something new. Explanation. Everything great in life starts with a small first step. Whether it's learning English, starting a new hobby, or changing your mindset, the important thing is just to start, even if it's not perfect. Example, start your day with a smile and good things will follow. 8. Plan, meaning a clear idea or schedule for how to do something. Explanation. Having a plan helps you stay focused and organized. Even if things don't always go as planned, having one keeps you moving in the right direction. Plans turn dreams into real actions. Example, my plan is to learn and grow today, step by step. 9. Grow, meaning to become bigger, better, or stronger over time. Explanation. Growth isn't just physical, it's also about becoming wiser and more confident. Every new thing you learn and every challenge you overcome helps you grow into the best version of yourself. Example, every day is a new chance to grow and become better than yesterday. 10. Enjoy, meaning to take pleasure or find happiness in something. Explanation. Life isn't only about working hard, it's also about enjoying the little things. Good food, a sunny morning, your favorite music. Don't forget to pause and enjoy the moments that make you smile. Example, enjoy every moment because today will never come again. Great job! You've learned not just words, but powerful life lessons today. Remember, every word you speak has energy. Choose strong, positive words and watch how they change your life. If you loved this lesson, hit that like button, share with someone who needs this boost, and subscribe for more powerful morning English lessons. Stay positive, stay strong, and keep growing. See you next time.